In this video I'm gonna show you how to screen record with sound on your any iPhone 17 series. So I'm take iPhone 17 here. So this method will work any iPhone or any iPhone 17 series. So let's get started. Go to your control center, showing it to screen record option. Okay, but some devices missing this and provide how can easily fix. So at first time remove, go to control center, long press on add a control, search here to screen record. Okay, now I'm at first add screen record option. So long press, then you get this option showing it to microphone. If you want to turn on microphone, so look here, now it's turn off, press on to turn on and click on start recording. Okay, now it's start screen recording with my microphone and stop. So look here, so that's it.